everybody. Out here at our family farm, we're just getting ready to have some tile added in between what we already had tiled. We'll give you guys a little look-see at tile equipment. This is the machine that puts the tile underground. Just kind of plows it in with that point back there. It'll carry a big spool on the front, run to the back, down into the ground, and get laid underneath the ground. And they use backhoes to dig up to the connection points so they can attach them all together. A little bit of tile, I'm sure there'll be more coming out. And this is just the trucks that they brought the equipment out on. And funnily enough, this company is right next door to where I work, driving a concrete truck. Literally walk across the driveway and there they are, right next to us. You all have a good Sunday. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day.